In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Snapchat app to access camera on iPhone and Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And on an iPhone, first off, we need to head over to settings, and on settings we need to scroll all the way down until we find Snapchat. Here it is. And also we can easily search for Snapchat app using search. Just drag it down a bit to show up that search box. Then search for Snapchat. That's how we can easily find it without scrolling down. And that's where we are looking for camera. All you have to do in order to give Snapchat app access to your iPhone's camera is just turn on the toggle next to camera. On an Android, first off, we need to head over to the settings as well. To do that, I'm gonna swipe down and tap at that gear. On settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we find apps. On apps, we can in the same way scroll down until we find Snapchat, or we can tap at that icon and then search for Snapchat in that way just by using the search. Once we find Snapchat, we can tap on it to get into Snapchat app settings, and that's where we can easily find permissions. If we get into permissions, that's where we can set permissions for the Snapchat app to use our camera, contacts, location, and bunch of other settings. In this video, we are talking about camera permissions, so I'm gonna get into camera, and that's where we can choose between three different options: allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I recommend you to select allow only while using the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.